bite-sized version of a Sunday roast.
That's so British. That's painful.
That's so creepy. Oh my god. It tastes like a roast.
Don't look at me. Are you recording?
No.
No, don't look at me. Favorite topic.
Oh my gosh. Push. Ooh. It's got that like dense look.
Feels dense.
Ooh. Do it again. Ooh.
It's like a brick.
Just enough.
Take a piece, madame. Smells like a graham cracker.
Okay. Ew.
Ew.
Ew. Ew. Tastes like a nasty fruitcake. Where is it on here?
What?
Here.
Tastes like oatmeal.
Tender oat cake.
What did I say?
Chocolate flapjack. We're not talking pancakes. But in the UK, there's something completely different. Tender, buttery oat bars made with brown sugar and syrup.
It shouldn't be tender. That's a gross word to use.
Well, tender. A cake can be tender, so that's not.
No, tender's a word for me. Don't look at me. Are you recording me? Stop.
No.
Smells like nothing.
What does that say? Treat. I can't read it. I'm blind.
Something toffee.
Treacle toffee. No, it's not that one.
Smells like nothing.
It smells like nothing.
There's nothing
Treacle coffee. Toffee. Sticky English tradition. English toffee. I usually like toffee. Does it have a flavor?
It doesn't have a smell. Don't go away from me.
I'm used to the English toffee that's crunchy and covered in chocolate and nuts. That's good. So we'll try this. Ooh, it's very sticky. Holy crap. Can't bite it. Oh, it's very sticky.
Tastes kind of musty. I'm just
Vanilla clotted cream fudge.
smells like vanilla, but it sounds like a rock.
And oh, yeah, it's fudgy.
It's kind of confusing.
Got that. It seems hard, but it's soft.
Seemingly a rock. And you can't squish it with your finger.
It's very sweet. Very, very sweet.
You want rhubarb or Johnny?
Pickled onion rings. Let's do the pickled onion rings.
Oh, this is scary. Crying out with flavor. It's an accordion. Look, it's an accordion.
I don't like pickled almost anything, so.
I don't think I've had a pickled anything.
Other than a pickle?
Yeah.
Okay, try it.
Pickle's such an ugly word. There's a lot of air in there, my guy. It smells like salt and vinegar. Oh, they're cute!
Balls of malt vinegar goodness.
That's what I said.
Oh, they're so cute. They look like something else we got that was like that.
They look like little tiny Funyuns.
Yes, little tiny Funyuns.
It's their name.
I like Funyuns. Oh! Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's a lot.
Oh, that is So pickly.
No, it's vinegary.
Which is pickly.
No,
you like it?
It doesn't have the other stuff that pickles do. It's kind of just like a salt and vinegar chip.
Do you like it?
It's got the same explosion that salt and vinegar chips do.
Ooh.
That was kind of frightening. I got a little jump scared.
Ooh. You're eating another one? Do you really like it? You like pickles, though.
I have a tolerance to vinegar.
I don't hate pickles, but I'm not a fan of pickles.
Oh, I like pickles.
Dad might like that. Ugh.
He wouldn't eat it because it says onion.
Okay.
Are they little, what's them called?
Rhubarb and custard bonbons.
Yeah.
Are they like cookie looking things?
No. You dumb.
Or are they candy?
They're candy.
Well, bonbon is a candy, but it felt like a cookie when I felt it in the package. But, oh, I guess it's not.
Tastes like lipstick.
Tastes like lipstick.
But a good lipstick.
Is it one of those waxy ones?
No. Takes a second.
All right.
At first it tastes like a lipstick, but a good lipstick.
Rhubarb and custard. All right.
And then it tastes like strawberry.
I'm going to taste it.
Give it a second.
Oh, it's softer than I expected.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Not a fan.
Huh, tastes like strawberry.
But I'm not a candy fan. I prefer a cookie or a cake or something. It's not bad, but... Sour.
It's not fun. But we won the war.
Okay, so we didn't end up getting our mini black currant shoes.
I'm not mad about that.
Yeah, so I sent them an email, but...
I'm not upset about it.
That's what I figured. It's probably not a big deal. But my face has felt very puckery today with all of this. This was very puckery.
I like onions.